Welcome to Fame World Educational Hub. Myself, Aishwarya Saxena, and in this Java 19 tutorial series, I am going to start with a new concept today. In the previous videos, I have already discussed the concept of selective statement. In the control statement, we have discussed the first type, that is selective statements, in which there were two types, if else and switch case. So both I have covered till now. If you have not watched those videos, kindly go back in the series and watch that video. In today's video, I'm going to start with the concept of for loop. We have already seen 15 programs in this playlist, so I'm just going to start with a new program and I'm saving it with pro16.java. In case you are having any confusion that what IDE I am using and what softwares I'm using, please watch the previous videos. All the things you will be getting clear in the previous videos in case you are watching it for the first time. So let's start, and here I'm going to start with the for loop today. So here I'm mentioning for loop and I'm taking very basic program, that is write a program to print 1 to 10 numbers using for loop. Okay, so like when we talk about looping or iterative statement, so when you are having a formula repetitively used, when you are using a formula repetitively, then it is like called as iterative statement. So for loop is a type of iterative statement. There are three types: for, while, do, while. So for loop is the first type, which we are going to see right away. I am right now going to take a very basic program to print 1 to 10 numbers, but further we will be seeing more programs into this playlist. Class pro16 public static void main. I'm taking here integer I for the like loop running. So for syntax is simply initial. I'm just writing here I equals to 1. I have to start with 1. So I'm taking here I equals to 1. Like what is the syntax? Let me tell you. Firstly, initialization. Then condition. Then increment or decrement, whatever you want to do. So this is actually the syntax of for loop. This is the syntax of for loop. So now we will do the program for the for loop, like 1 to 10 number printing with the help of for. So I'm taking I equals to 1, that is our initialization. I less than equals to 10, that is our condition. And I plus plus I have taken for increment. I plus plus means I equals to I plus 1, that is the increment. So here I equals to 1, that is the initial value. Then it will check that I less than equals to 10, that means 1 less than equals to 10 and the condition is true. So it will come inside and print it. I am just coming towards the whiteboard to explain these concepts in detail. The write run procedure first of all. So I am taking here for integer I equals to 1, I less than equals to 10 and I plus plus. Then we have the printing here. System.out.println I. So this is our program code. Now what will be happening? Let's see. Here, first of all, like whenever you are working with the program like for loop, firstly, this is checked. This is the first check. When the condition is true, so it will come inside and it will print the statement. Then after that, it will go back and it will increment the value. Then it will again come here and it will check the condition. Then it will again come inside and it will print. So this way the loop goes. This is the way how the loop actually works. So let's see the dry run. Dry run is that when you are putting the values manually and checking that the program is working properly or not. I equals to 1, I less than equals to 10. I is 1, so 1 less than equals to 10, condition true. So it will print the value of I, that is 10. Then it will go up here and it will increment the value, that will be I equals to 2. Then it will check the condition 2 less than equals to 10, condition true, it is true, so it will simply come inside and it will print the value of I on the next line. Next line, because we are using ln, so automatically it will be located towards the next line. Then it will simply increment the value of I equals to 3, 3 less than equals to 10, condition true. So it will come inside and it will print the value of I, that is 3. On the next line, because the slash n, like, sorry, new line character ln is used here, print ln. Then it will go up and increment the value of I, 4 less than equals to 10, condition true. It will come inside and it will print the value 4 this way. And then it will go up and it will increment the value 5 less than equals to 10, condition true. It will just come inside and it will print the value of I, that is 5. So this way it will be going so on until I equals to 10, 10 less than equals to 10, condition true. So it will like print the value 10 and it will again increment it to 11, I equals to 11. Then 11 less than equals to 10, condition false this time. And because this condition is false, so it will be simply terminating the loop. As the condition will be getting false, the loop will be terminated and we will receive the 1 to 10 numbers printed on the screen. So this is, you can see the way that how you can print 1 to 10 numbers with the help of for loop. So this was very simple and let's run it. I have still not run it. So I'm just going to run this program. So Java C space pro 16.java and then Java space pro 16. And here you can see 1 to 10 numbers are printed properly on the screen. So this way we can just print 1 to 10 numbers or whatever you want to print. In the next video, I will be discussing another program for using for loop. And in case you are new to this channel, subscribe the channel, hit the notification bell and see you in the next video. You can put your queries in the comment section. If you are having any query, you can put it in the comment section. I will definitely help you out.